Why do hiccups occur? Hiccups are caused by a sudden spasm of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity and is responsible for helping us to breathe. When this muscle contracts suddenly, it can cause the vocal cords to close off briefly, resulting in the distinctive hic sound. There are a number of things that can trigger this spasm, such as eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages or alcohol, smoking, or even stress. In most cases, hiccups will go away on their own after a few minutes. However, if they persist for more than 48 hours, it's important to see a doctor, as this may be indicative of another underlying condition. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video.